Let's go in here. Now again, you can also as well, guys, don't forget, you don't have to open it and then close it. You might have it so that the release time actually stays open. I'm going to have a little listen. I'm quite happy with how it's sounding in the drop, but I'm going to test both options. Also do the same with this. Let's again, I want it side chaining up to the build up to the drop, but maybe not so much around here. Let's maybe go to around maybe here. These are just little things that you somewhat can sometimes forget if you're not careful when you're going through your leads. Can definitely, or maybe the pads can come down a touch. Let me just test this instead. Yeah, okay, so the pads are way too loud, so I'm just going to bring them down a couple of dB. Okay, so let's bring that up again. So again, coming into the breakdown where the kick sort of stops is there. You can do it gradually if you want. You just want to kind of make sure that it's not side chaining too much towards there. Now, let's bring that up there like that. On beat. Oop. I'm going to put them to the on beat when this snare kind of speeds up a little bit. Oh, it comes from there anyway, so I'll do it like this. So when the ride is on the offbeat versus the on beat, you'll hear that it sort of builds some tension. So you can see here the difference in the color. Now, I think I've taken away a little bit too much sub there as well. So that's what the sub can do there. When you pull out too much, you're taking away too much of the low end energy. Let's have a little look what we've got going on here as well. So what you can also do is close stuff off to build tension as well. So, you know, it might have been opened up here, but okay, so this one, for example, as it's coming in now, I feel like we need a little bit of a change here. So let's have a little look. We've got this intro pluck. And this is a very simple intro pluck, so we could maybe use this to help build tension too.